he proposed last night.
Look at this!
Oh my goodness!
Girl, I'm jealous.
We met on a dating app. Have you ever tried one?
Go on, touch them. My arms are real.
Check, please.
This one is limited edition Captain Whiskers.
Oh, wow, so cool.
My mom made us tuna surprise.
You live with your mom?
Sorry I'm late. The waterways are fin to fin.
Wrong kind of whiskers, babe. I'm out of here.
You're clearly not using the right app. Look, I already found you a perfect match. Yes. 1,000 times yes.